Kumusta guys? Welcome back to my channel, Simply CM, and today is Thursday. Hindi ko na alam kung anong araw sa January. I think it's the last Thursday of January. 28 ata. Anyway, or 29 ata. So we're going out. We're gonna have coffee and some bread doon sa Panagsama, and yung pupuntahan namin na guys, coffee shop owned by a French guy. So punta kami doon, ako, si Martin, yung papa ko at yung tiyo ko. It's very warm today. Didn't take a shower.
And you stink.
And I'm stinking.
I don't know how to say it, but I think we cannot.
Who cares? Well, anyway, punta kami doon. Inom lang naman tayo ng kape. We're just gonna drink coffee anyway. And then after, go home. And then maybe at that time, I can take a shower after. It's just I didn't have that time to do it now. People are complaining. They wanna go. They're excited to go. How about you, Martin? What do you...
I'm not excited to go with you when you stink so much.
Stop.
I'm a little more ashamed than excited.
Really?
Ashamed.
Ashamed? Again?
Ashamed.
Anyway, so yun, palis tayo. Very, very, very warm today. Like in super duper mega warm. Yesterday it was more windy. Today is just warm. But we're going now. So look and look and look, guys. Super, super sunny today. Grabe. I regret not taking a shower. Kanya. So yeah, that's what's gonna happen, and it's 10 in the morning. Oh, I didn't know there is also malunggay there. There's actually two. Malunggay, guys, it's very, very, very healthy. I've been seeing a lot of videos about that. And people are using it as their tea. Kita niyo ba? There. Dalawa, tapos meron pa doon. So people has been using it to be their tea, ganyan.
Surprise. She's got a gentle kindness in her smile and a shining in her eyes. I need for her to see that I am not like other guys. I'll take a 6-piece McNugget and a small order of fries. Well, Jasmine, you're like the sweetest tea. You fill my heart with glee. Come on along and rescue me. Well, Jasmine, as like the deepest sea, no one could disagree. You are my fast food fantasy. Burgers with a little more cheese, and her flurries really make you freeze. She pours the coffee with the greatest of ease, while her smile warms it up a few degrees. She bakes a pie, salsa fries, supersized, makes it all look like a breeze. Oh, Jasmine, if I ask you, would you be my fast food squeeze? Oh, Jasmine, you're like the sweetest tea. You fill my heart with glee. Come on along and rescue me. Well, Jasmine, as like the deepest sea, no one could disagree. You are my fast food fantasy.
Okay guys, Okay. Yeah, so guys, no, I'm just, okay, whatever. Okay guys, kadarating ko lang din now dito sa bahay. Si Martin ay nandun na, pinadrive ko siya, sabi ko iwan niya muna ako dito kasi I'm gonna be walking and I'm gonna do vlogging. So yun, kumain kami doon sa French coffee shop. Masarap naman dun guys, tapos yung kape nila masarap din, ganyan-ganyan, masarap pagkain nila pero pricey siya compare sa other coffee shop kasi naman yung may-ari is French, ganon, pero okay lang. And then so yeah, we had a good time. We sat in there, we had our coffee, we had our breakfast / lunch, so okay na okay. And then it was super warm and then it became a bit windy, so it was nice sitting there. And now sunny, sunshine na naman. And now I am home. So I'm gonna take a shower kasi umalis ako na hindi nag-shower guys, grabe talaga. So yeah, I'm gonna take a shower and then I'll feel refreshed again. And then hopefully I can do a lot of more vlogging kasi hindi ako nagvo-vlog masyado kasi I don't know, I'm just more focused sa Facebook, yung reels, ganyan. Pero of course I have to be more focused both sa Facebook at sa YouTube. Pero yung YouTube, medyo kumikita na tayo dito. So dapat sana yung focus ko andito talaga. But anyway, ito yung place ng sister ko at ng husband niya. Medyo malaki. Tingnan nyo yung doggy guys, oh. Naka-standby lang sila dyan. Tapos, dami nilang mga tanim. Pasok tayo dito, be. Look at that. Kailangan lang talaga yung grass i-cut ba, pero dahil sa sobrang laki ng lugar, tapos yung machine nila to cut the grass nasira din. So, yun, medyo mahirap siya i-maintain. Tapos, nag-hire naman sila dati dito ng yung mga tao ba, pero medyo mahal din kasi alam mo yung inadlaw na bayad guys ba. So, yun. But right now, wow, ang ganda. Ang dami palang malunggay. May malunggay sila dito, oh. Ito talaga yung, tingnan nyo. Mga malunggay, ganyan, naka-line up pala. And, I've just been reading so much about it, watching documentaries. It's very, very healthy. So, it's good for soup, obviously. Utan sa Mua diri Binisaya. And then, but a lot of other people are using it as a tea kasi nga daw it got a lot of benefit. Pero may nabasa din ako na if you got, I think, low blood pressure, so you should not drink as much kasi nakaka-lower pala siya ng blood more. So yun. So anyway, and everything in moderation naman dapat. So gusto ko sana siyang gawin pero hindi ko pa nagagawa. But anyway, we got 1 week more here na pwede natin ang Martin very relaxed. I'm gonna try to give him electric fan, turn on electric fan sa kanya because it's really warm actually. Wait lang. Electric fan na natin ang ating afam.